So we're going to do something extraordinary with this horseshoe. We'll see if Mike can. Mike's got some blacksmith experience. Let's see if he can see what it is. Okay, so now we're there. Okay, so in blacksmithing that's called one heat. So every time you do something, it's called a heat. So for blacksmiths, the more work you can get done in a heat, the more work you get done in a day. So every time you put something back in the forge, it takes time. Now, generally speaking, I would have another one in the forge that I would be working on now. And that saying, don't have too many irons in the fire, comes from if I have 3 in the forge, and I take one out, work on it, put it back in, take the other one out, work on it, the third one will get too hot, and it'll start to melt. And I can literally take this and turn it into a puddle that looks like this gravel when it cools off. And so you have this beautiful piece of iron that you did all this work to, and it's useless. So that's why you don't have too many irons in the fire. So did you guys see the extraordinary thing? Did you see it?
Using a straight beating hammer, which you don't see too much of.
Well, you did 2 steps in one.
Yeah? Nope. Okay. I'll do it again, and then you guys see if you can see it.
You're using your left hand and your right hand.
There you go, you got it.
Yep.
You got it, you're the winner. How did you figure that out? Most people never get it.
Because I use my left hand
You
and
notice
my right
it?
hand when I'm doing things.
Yeah, so that's the thing is that when I was about 18, 19, I got such bad tendonitis in my right elbow that in order to keep blacksmithing, I had to learn how to hammer with my left hand. And then I got tendonitis in my left hand, and so now I just go back and forth between which one doesn't hurt. So, but that is absolutely what it is. I am ambidextrous blacksmith. And you know what's really interesting is that after I learned how to hammer with my left hand, I didn't realize it, but I could do all kinds of other things. I could throw a ball with my left hand. I could write with my left hand. It was really, really weird. It was like just once that pathway got opened in my brain, I could use my left hand. So it was kind of cool. I didn't even know that I was doing that and then I picked up a pencil once and started writing, and I'm like, I can do this. This is weird. So, and traditionally speaking, this anvil is set up for a left-handed person. So you always want to be hammering like this on the horn. You want to be working back and forth like this. And so this is actually a left-hand setup right at the moment. There you go. So, what was that? Three heats?
Yep.
Yeah. So that's 3 heats.
Where are you going to find a horse with a hoof shaped like that?
I don't know. Maybe this is like a deer hoof or something.